Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share how to cancel any subscription, say with IQ subscription, because a lot of you have got stuck in order to cancel it, and their amount has been deducted from their account without their permission. So if you are not at all canceling the subscription, that is automated, so they will be deducting the amount without any kind of notification or something. So let me show you how to do it. You just need to go to Play Store, then click at your DP. You can see at right hand side top corner, you can see my profile photo. Click there. From there you can see payments and subscription. Click there, and then you need to click on subscription. From subscription you need to click on with IQ for YouTube or whatever app you are using, or for whatever subscription you wanted to cancel. Okay, so now you can see in the downside of it, it's written like cancel subscription. So you need to click there. Okay, and then you can click on any reason, say I don't use this service enough, or I found a better app, or cost related issue, or whatever thing I'm just clicking here and other. So okay, let's not talk about, let's say डिक्लाइन टू आंसर. ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो क्लिक ऑन डिक्लाइन टू आंसर, दैट इज कि नहीं बताना चाहते कि क्यों हम उसको कैंसिल कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, देन डू कंटिन्यू एंड देन फाइनली क्लिक ऑन कैंसिल सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, एंड फाइनली इट्स डन. once you will be doing this, so you need not to pay anything, or like they won't be able to deduct any amount from your account without your permission. So if you want the subscription, then you need to go to that app again, and then you can take that subscription again. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.